Hi, I'm Val from Thankbox, and I'm going to show you how Thankbox private messages work. Private messages are perfect for those inside jokes and heartfelt sentiments that you might not want anyone except the recipient to see. To add a message, all you have to do is write out your message and attach any GIF or upload any photo that you want, and then click the hide button and then post your message. Your message will be visible to you, but you see it marked as private. For anyone else viewing the Thankbox, your message contents and any image or video you've attached will appear hidden. If you are the Thankbox administrator, you'll be able to see private messages alongside all other messages in the Thankbox. You'll be able to manage them, remove and delete them just as you would a normal message, so you can make sure nothing inappropriate ends up in the Thankbox. I hope you found this video useful, and happy Thankboxing!